so I'm real fucking cocky. Niggas buy me anything when we uptown shopping, and we the best and we stay improving. Far from broke, so we ain't never losing. And it's we the best and we stay improving. Far from broke, so we ain't never losing. I'm from New York, so I'm so fucking ghetto.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Based on the title, you already know what we here to talk about. Every YouTuber does it, so I'm gonna do it too. Today's video is about alipearl. I ordered it from the original website. AliExpress was charging too much, and now all of a sudden AliExpress want to charge tax. Baby girl, relax. No, we don't do tax. We don't do tax. We don't. Period. So I looked on the website. I was like, okay, I need some new bundles. I want to do new color, new everything. So I ordered from alipearl. Just to let you guys know, this is gonna be like 3 parts into one video because I'm not doing the wig myself. It's my sis, La Belle Chevalier, you know, the Haitians represents. So, anyways, she's gonna do my wig, and then she has a colorist, and she's gonna also do the color for me. So I want to do like a burgundy color. I'll post different pictures how I want it, and we're gonna see how that turns out. So yes, I want to do a wig, burgundy color with alipearl. Damn, I'm mad that didn't rhyme. So I ordered it, let's say, I think I ordered it on a Friday. I know for sure because that's when the big check came. 18-inch closure, 222 inches, and 20-inch. So, but this is the 20-inch. The 20-inch does look bigger compared to the 22. Like, if you see the difference, this looks bigger than this. So this is the 22 and this is the 20. Yeah, this is the 20 and this is the 22. You can tell the difference by looking at it. You see the longest. The 20 looks good too. The 20 look full. The 20 look OD full, and I like that. Probably, I do know like the longer lengths you go, the more bundles you would have to get. So that's why I was like, let me just do 22. But when I do order 22, it did be long. So I was like, okay. It'll still be long if I was to just get like 20, but I'm happy I got a 22. I just love this long new hair. But yeah, guys, it's not gonna stay this color. I'm dyeing it. I'm not dyeing it, but look at that. 3 bundles. I think it's gonna do a full unit for a wig. And if she can't, she'll make it fit if it can't fit. Plus, I got a 5x5 closure. Sis, if you still do 4x4, don't get bundles. We don't do 4x4 bundles no more. I mean closures no more. We don't do that. You see what I meant? Like, only with the closure, it came with like the net to make sure the hair stays. I don't know why I just did that, but yeah. So I got a 5x5 closure. It came pre-plucked. This is what it looks like. We gotta zoom in so all the people can see. And then this is what it looks like. It's not tinted or whatever. I am gonna make my wig guru bleach the knots for me so I could get a natural hairline. And then this is what it looks like. This is the hair. It does look nice compared to what I have always ordered. This does look nice. It looks mad nice. This is a 5x5 18-inch closure.
4 to 6 more days later.
Hey guys, I know my foundation is all over the place, and yeah, but I'm 4 to 5, 6 days later. I got me some new Meek Mill braids. As you can see, my beautiful wig came from. Make sure that this wig is glued down. Oh, this shit is cold. I like to do it right there. Now, I know a lot of people use not got to be, but Ghost Bond. I cannot use Ghost Bond because a bitch is allergic to Ghost Bond. came in this. I'm so happy I got my wig. As you know, I wanted like a burgundy color. Her and her team. I said team like it's many more, but soon they will be. But her and Rika did my wig, and Rika dyed it, and it came like this. The packaging is so cute. Even if you do just get your wig, you still get a cute packaging. It's on a hanger and it looks mad cute. But this is what it looks like. This is mad cute. Look at this. And then she bleached the knots and then put some baby hairs for me. This is so cute. She bleached everything. This is how the hair looks. And plus they kept me updated. They were showing me how my hair was looking, the processing time. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is so pretty. From alipearl, and then it's really soft. Like when I was playing in it, I didn't see no shedding. I did see minimum shedding, but not no shedding crazy where I'm taking a brush and mad shit is coming out of the brush. But this is so cute. Look at that. They did a great as the inside looks. I don't know what these black dots are. I came like that, but this is the stitching. Probably she was tensing them. This is so cute. And adjustable straps. You cannot. This is like a fucking bra strap, bro. Like it's like a bra strap. Like you take it and you adjust it and it comes off. You can put it like in the middle or at the end, like literally like a bra strap. And not, it only just not happen here. You could do it from the sides too, which is amazing. So like, even when like this is getting big, like cause sometimes your wig does get big because it's adjusting to your head, or probably because I got a big head, but it's still manageable. Like as long as you take care of your hair and the wig and don't wear it as often. But even if you do wear it as often, you can still just adjust them. Look at the wig on, guys. Ooh, putting a wig on is so hard. Okay. Like this is so different for me. Like red, wow. But it got to be glue as like the Ghost Bond and all those crazy glues those girls be doing. But because I did buy Ghost Bond before, and then when I tell you my forehead was breaking out like crazy, and it's so crazy like that happened. I'm gonna take my foundation, push it right here to make it blend, because you know we cannot have no light skin scalp, because I'm not light skin, I'm black, baby girl. So I'm gonna put that here. Like, let's see what. I wasn't recording, but guys, look at this. This is so cute. I glued it down. It's not on the tightest strap because I just got the wig, so the wig is already as tight as it can be. And like, look at the color. Look at this. I'm gonna put more curls into it because I want the more curls to be more defined. But like, this is different. So this is different. Look at that. And then you know how you see like it's like bright red and then it goes dark? That's different. Look at that. Look at this. Rika and Mara, go to them. But it was all worth it. Like from alipearl, the dye is nice. It's so different. I really love how it's like bright red and then dark right here. Make me feel like I'm a princess girl. Like look at that. Ooh. So I'm gonna put like wand curls in my hair because I curled it last night, but I guess it fell. I'm not gonna do too much drastic curls in my hair.
New York bitch, so you know I'm fucking ghetto. Niggas love me cause my talk harder than metal. And I spit some nice motherfucking riddles. Ready? I'ma give you your balls, let me give you your pro. I can get it a little.
The final look, guys. I'm gonna head to class now. Guys, I'm gonna put my little Instagram videos because you gotta follow me on Instagram because that's where I post more. So look at that. I want to take a picture today because I'm just feeling this. Like, I'm feeling a brand new Ashley right now, and I want to give a big shout outs to Rika and Mara for doing this for me, because look at this. Like, look at that. Look at that. Shout outs to them because they really did this. Like, oh my god. So guys, I'm at work right now. The hair is holding up so beautiful. I'm so used to having hair like being mad tangle in the back. This is not doing that. It is giving like a little tangle, but look, I haven't brushed it all day. I haven't done anything since I left the house. And then like, look at this. Look at that. Shout out to alipearl for actually giving good ass hair, not no cheap hair. Like, look at this. alipearl did amazing. It makes making me look beautiful. Like, but yeah, guys, look at that. Like, I'm so impressed. Like, this hair is so nice. Like, look how full it is. And then I remember I was talking about like it might not be full, but the hair is really full. And look at this. It's so full. It is swaying. I'll never end the video properly, but shout out to alipearl. This hair is really amazing. Shout out to the Rika and Mara package. Mara made the wig, Rika dyed the hair for me, and shout out to, most importantly, alipearl.